In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add mods on Hostinger in just 5 minutes. If you've ever wanted to customize your website or server beyond its basic capabilities, adding mods can be an effective way to expand its functionality and enhance your overall experience. Whether you're embedding new features or tweaking existing ones, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can confidently mod your platform. First, let's get started by navigating to the Hostinger website. Open up your browser and type in the URL for Hostinger. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, you should see the welcoming screen that will help you bring your ideas online with ease. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. You'll typically find this option at the top right corner of the page. Logging in is essential because it gives you access to your account and the ability to manage your website's server settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Home section of your account dashboard. This area serves as the hub for all your hosting activities, and it's where we will make most of the changes needed to add mods. Upon reaching the Home interface, your next step will be to click on Manage. This button will take you to the control panel of your website, a place packed with tools and features for managing various aspects of your hosting service. Look for the Files option on the control panel. Clicking on Files will lead you to a sub-menu with different file management options. Now that you're in the Files section, your concentration should shift to the File Manager. Click on File Manager to proceed. This tool is indispensable as it offers an intuitive interface for uploading, managing, and organizing files associated with your website or server. Once inside the File Manager, find the Access Files of jmedia.store option or a similar directory name if you're working on a different website. Clicking this will allow you access to the specific files required to install the mods. Accessing these files is crucial as it allows you to modify, upload, or delete them as needed. Finally, locate and click on File Upload. This is the feature that will enable you to upload new modification files to your server. When you click File Upload, a dialog box will appear, allowing you to browse your computer and select the mod files you wish to add to your site or server. Once you've selected the files, confirm the upload and the modifications will be applied to your system. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add mods to your hosting a site. With these mods installed, you'll have added a fresh layer of functionality to your platform, unveiling new possibilities for what you can do online. Thanks for tuning in and happy modding.